Yo, yo, yo! Welcome back to YoYoQuiz. Ready for the human body challenge? Think you can pass this human body quiz? Test your knowledge, organs, bones, and all your body systems. Keep your eyes sharp, your mind sharper. Let's get started! Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to YoYoQuiz for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started! Number 1. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying chemicals in the body? 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is liver. Question 2. Where does gas exchange occur? Is it the lungs, stomach, or liver? Time's up! Lungs! Keep going! Don't lose focus! What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin, heart, or lung? Skin! Question 4. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas, liver, or kidney? Pancreas! True or false? The brain pumps blood in the body. False! The heart pumps blood. If you got it right, write it in the comments. Now it's getting harder. Which blood cells fight infections? Red, white, or platelets? White blood cells. Question 7. What is the main function of the kidneys? Pump blood, filter waste from the blood, or digest food? 3, 2, 1. Filter waste from the blood! Which part of the cell contains genetic material? Nucleus! Which nutrient is primarily used by the body for energy? Protein, carbohydrates, or vitamins? 3, 2, 1. Carbohydrates! Can you name this organ? Stomach. Which organ stores bile? Gallbladder, pancreas, or stomach? 3, 2, 1. Gallbladder! Question 12. What is the basic unit of life? Tissue, cell, or organ? Cell! Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Cerebellum, cerebrum, or medulla? Cerebellum! Question 14. Hemoglobin is found in which blood cells? White blood cells, red blood cells, or platelets? Red blood cells! Which organ produces digestive enzymes? Pancreas or kidney? Pancreas! Question 16. What type of joint is the shoulder? Hinge, ball and socket, or pivot? Ball and socket. Question 17. Which organ produces bile? Liver, gallbladder, or pancreas? Liver! Which gas is exhaled by humans during respiration? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, or nitrogen? Carbon dioxide. Question 19. Which macronutrient helps build and repair tissues? Carbohydrates, proteins, or fats? Proteins. Would you rather subscribe or no breath forever? Answer in the comments. It's just for fun. True or false? The heart has 4 chambers. True. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Femur, stapes, or tibia? Stapes! Where does digestion begin? Stomach, mouth, or small intestine? Mouth! Question 23. Which blood type is considered the universal donor? A, O, or AB? O! Guess the organ by this scrambled word. 3, 2, 1. Brain! Did you answer correctly? Comment below. Which organ is part of both the digestive and respiratory systems? Esophagus, pharynx, or liver? 3, 2, 1. Pharynx! Which vitamin is primarily produced by sunlight exposure? Vitamin A, vitamin C, or vitamin D? Vitamin D! Which organ helps regulate blood sugar levels? Kidney, pancreas, or liver? Pancreas! Question 29. What is the main function of platelets? Fight infection, clot blood, or carry oxygen? Clot blood! Did you pass the challenge? Write it below! Question 30. True or false? The small intestine is shorter than the large intestine. False! The small intestine is longer. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? Cornea, iris, or retina? Iris! What type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? Veins, arteries, or capillaries? Arteries! Question 33. Which organ stores and releases urine? Kidney, bladder, or urethra? Bladder. What is the function of the alveoli? What is the function of the alveoli? Pump blood, exchange gases, or digest food? Exchange gases. Question 35. Can you guess the name of this body part? It's part of your shoulder. Scapula. True or false? The liver stores glucose in the form of glycogen. True! Did you get the right answer? Tell us in the comments. Which system defends the body against pathogens? Circulatory, immune, or nervous? Immune system. Could you answer it? Let us know in the comments. What is the main function of red blood cells? Fight infection, carry oxygen, or clot blood? Carry oxygen. Which hormone regulates metabolism? Insulin, thyroxine, or adrenaline? Thyroxine. True or false? The spleen produces red blood cells in adults. False! It filters blood. RBCs are made in bone marrow. Question 40. What is the site of fertilization in humans? Ovary, fallopian tube, or uterus? Fallopian tube. Question 41. Guess the organ by scrambled name. Spleen. What is the structural unit of a muscle? Myofibril, sarcoma, or tendon? Myofibril. True or false? Mitosis results in two identical daughter cells. True! Type your answer in the comments. Question 45. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, mitochondria, or ribosome? My mitochondria! Which hormone is released during stress? Insulin, adrenaline, or thyroxine? Adrenaline! Question 47. True or false? Bacteria are eukaryotic organisms. False! Bacteria are prokaryotic. Question 48. Which organ produces red blood cells in adults? Bone marrow or spleen? Bone marrow. Question 49. What is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system? Neuron, muscle fiber, or hormone? Neuron! Final question, true or false? The femur is the largest bone in the human body. True! How many did you get right? Comment your score. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Tell us your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to YoYoQuiz for more exciting quizzes.